Come test drive the 2026 ProMaster. RAM ProMaster provides superior on-the-job performance while helping your business carry more to more places. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, electronic stability control, brake assist, trip computer, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.